Smarter living, safer mobility. KOENG, connecting your everyday with future. Your trusted mobility solution partner. KOENG leads the innovation in Korea's auto repair industry. Since our start as Korea Engineering in 1994 and rebirth as KOENG in 1999, we've grown into a core driver of the mobility ecosystem. Powered by breakthrough innovation and a relentless pursuit of value. 2002, acquired international environmental certification. 2009, selected as a promising export-oriented SME. 2011, named the next generation export leader. 2012, received the Presidential Award for $5 million export tower on Trade Day. 2023, participated in Automec Brazil, the largest auto parts expo in Latin America. 2013, designated a high soul brand enterprise. 2019, entered the green growth market with personal e-mobility manufacturing. 2020, filed a patent for battery performance management system. With over 30 years of hands-on expertise and industry know-how, KOENG continues to lead transformation and growth in automotive service solutions. A legacy built on trust and quality, KOENG is with you every step of the way. With our headquarters in Gyeonggi Province, KOENG has expanded across Korea, from Seoul, Incheon, Daejeon, and Daegu to Gwangju. And now exports to over 50 countries worldwide, growing into a truly global enterprise. With a focus on structured service and total customer satisfaction, KOENG has become a trusted leader in the automotive repair industry. KOENG develops and delivers essential automotive service equipment. From disc refinishing machines and tire changers to advanced battery testers. We help power the industry with tools that elevate precision, boost safety, and drive efficiency. Through innovation and trust, we shape the future of auto service. KOENG's latest solution 1. Meet the KBL series brake disc and drum lathe machines featuring automated resurfacing modes for effortless, high-precision machining. Deserts. Removes corrosion caused by harsh sandstorms. Reinforces disc durability in off-road and military vehicles. Dry and dusty terrains. Clears sand and dust damage from brake discs. Hot and humid regions. Polishes and restores discs affected by intense moisture and rust. Rugged roads and gravel paths. Maintains and restores discs for vehicles in rough terrain. Regular polishing for farming and construction equipment. The KBL 9000LD is designed to resurface brake discs and drums with precision and ease. High precision cutting for smooth and even surfaces. Durable and long-lasting lathe wheel for extended use. User-friendly operation with both manual and automatic modes. KBL 9000S, compact and efficient brake resurfacing. KBL 9000S is the perfect choice for workshops and service centers looking for a compact yet powerful lathe machine. Compact and space-saving design. Optimized speed 150 RPM for stable resurfacing. Easy operation with one-touch automatic mode. KBL 9000B, heavy-duty and high-capacity resurfacing. Ideal for trucks, buses, and heavy-duty vehicles. Adjustable speed 70 to 320 RPM for versatile applications. Powerful motor and robust construction for extended use. KOENG's latest solution 2. The ultimate solution for quick and effortless tire changes. Introducing the KOENG KE6500T tire changer. With an intuitive control panel, anyone can operate the machine easily and efficiently. Designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring comfortable and effortless operation even during extended use. The automatic mode allows tires to be removed from the rim effortlessly, reducing work time and increasing efficiency. Built with a durable and precise structure, ensuring a safe and smooth tire changing experience. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the KOENG KE6500T is the perfect solution for workshops and automotive service centers. KOENG's latest solution 3. Accurate and reliable battery performance testing. Introducing the KOENG DBT2000C battery tester. Compatible with motorcycles, cars, trucks and buses, supporting DC 12 volts and DC 24 volt battery testing. Accurately measures battery lifespan, voltage, and efficiency to ensure reliable diagnostics. Equipped with a digital display and user-friendly buttons, making operations simple and convenient. In addition to battery analysis, it supports charging tests, cranking tests, and waveform analysis. Compact and ruggedly built, allowing for easy use anywhere. Built on proven performance, KOENG supplies Korea's armed forces with advanced battery testers, delivering fast diagnostics, precise readings, and unmatched durability to keep military vehicles mission ready.
KOENG는 글로벌 시장에서 지속 가능한 모빌리티 산업을 선도하는 대한민국 대표 자동차 검사, 수리, 정비 기업으로 성장하고 있습니다. KOENG는 국내의 기업들과 신뢰를 기반으로 파트너 관계를 유지하고 있으며 다양한 글로벌 네트워크를 갖추고 있습니다. 신뢰받는 기술력 향상으로 더 큰 글로벌 기업으로 발전할 수 있도록 노력하겠습니다.
At KOENG, trust is the foundation. Quality is the promise. We're setting a new standard in automotive repair. A safer, more reliable, and more convenient mobility experience. That's the future we're building. KOENG leads the future of mobility in a changing world. Korea engineering is KOENG.